Hi, I'm Stephanie. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making 7-layer dip. First I found a nice clear container and I added 1 16-ounce can of refried beans. Next I added a 16-ounce package of fresh guacamole. Then spread that into an even layer. You can use fresh guacamole, of course, but I didn't. I was just trying to use up the things that I had in my refrigerator. Next, I added about 1.5 cups of sour cream to a small bowl. To that, I added about 2 tablespoons of my homemade taco seasoning mix. You can, of course, use a packet of taco seasoning. Then I spread the sour cream mixture on top of the guacamole layer. Next, I added about 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. Followed by 2 diced tomatoes. I removed the seeds so it wouldn't be too wet, but you can leave them in if you like. Next, I added 5 chopped scallions. And finally, I followed that with about 8 chopped Kalamata olives. People typically use black olives in this, but I'm not a fan. Add more if you like. And that's all there is to it. This dip is fresh and creamy and has lots of Tex-Mex flavor. Plus, I was able to use up a lot of things in my refrigerator that needed to get used. I hope you'll try this. It's delicious. I also hope you'll subscribe and join me again soon for another recipe. I upload new videos on Sundays and Wednesdays. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.